Hi, my name is Diego Laurreda. My ID is 2014-04-027, and I'm gonna talk about density and its importance in our project. The density, or more precisely, the volumetric mass density of a system, it is mass per unit volume. Mathematically, density is defined as mass divided by volume. In some cases, density is loosely defined as its weight per unit volume. Although it is scientifically inaccurate, this in quantity is more specifically called a specific weight. The density of a material varies with the temperature and pressure. This variation is typically small for solids and liquids, but much greater for gases. Increasing the pressure of an object decreases the volume of the object, and this increases the density. The volume of the object will increase if the temperature increase of a system, and there are a few exceptions, of course. Decreases its density, increasing its volume. In most materials, heating the bottom of the fluid results in conveying of the heat from the bottom of the top. Divide the increase in the density of the heat fluid. Like that.
We add first the syrup to the glass. After that, some honey. The water. The olive corn. And at the end, the alcohol. As you can see, you can differentiate the different products in the glass, and there are different densities for each product. At the end, you can see the final product can be seen in the different densities in the glass.
How does our experiment work? The cocktail of rainbow works due to the differences of densities between the syrup, the honey, the water, the oil sunflower, the olive oil, and the alcohol. For example, more atoms exist of syrup than of water in the same space. Why? Because of the syrup will weigh more and always it was staying below. Due to the fact that the densest substances were staying below and less above, doing that it could not mix.
Hello, my name is Carlos Eduardo Schreiwitz. I'm going to explain to you what could happen if we change the order of the liquids. If we change the order of the liquids, will happen that order can change. But waiting some time, we can see that order come back to the original order. If that happens because the density of all the liquids is the same, doesn't matter if we shake it or we put in another order, and that density never change by water, alcohol, and other liquids never will change the pattern. That is what could happen if we change the order of the liquids.
Hi, I will talk about the conclusions of this experiment. Well, with this experiment we can appreciate the different densities of the liquids according to their viscosity. The density is the mass that exists in a given volume. Fluids with a higher density will always fall. Thanks to the density, we can sort the fluids when these do not mix. The denser substances are down and the less dense are up. So that is all. Thanks.